I was going to school, and I find it very hard because of my English. My brother-in-law, he was a shoe repairer. And the boss says to my father, I'll teach him in 6 months to know how to put soles. Couple of years, the boss said to my father, he's ready now, you can get him a shop. I started my first shop when I was 17. And after that, I started making hand-made shoes. This shoe here, the lady said it's too wide here. So I have to try to unglue the sole, and then I'm gonna make it smaller, test it. Once it's happy with it, then I glue the sole back on. That's what I call the old-fashioned way. I looked in the pipe and I saw, new shopping center in Melbourne. When I went around and checked the area and everything, remind me a lot from where I come from. I wasn't from a city, I was from a village, The rest was history. I'm proud to say that I am when I say all the shops, one operator from the beginning until now. So we're going on 42 years now. And one day I said to myself, I think I got the best job here. I can do it for the rest of my life. So here I am now, 79, and I'm still doing it.